You know what? I was actually looking at some stats, and it's a mild start to the new year, and it's the mildest New Year's Day since 1979. Comes with some winds, too, out there. As we take a live look at the city of Boston, at least those winds have broken up the clouds, and we've got some sunshine after the rain that we had ringing in the new year. But those winds, they are definitely gusty out there. Some of the top wind gusts right now coming in around Blue Hill, 56-mile-per-hour wind gusts there reported. In Cambridge, 55. Hull 48, Westford 42. And we're going to continue to see the period of strongest winds now through the early afternoon. We could continue to see more damage like trees down as well as power outages. So just keep that in mind if you're going to be driving a high-profile vehicle. You may see some problems out there. Gusts right now to 49 in Worcester, and you can see all around winds are just so strong, gusting over 30 in many locations. So we do have a high wind warning, especially for central Massachusetts into the Boston area, including Essex County, until 3 p.m. for gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Elsewhere, a wind advisory until 5 p.m. just for the potential of some of those stronger wind gusts that could create some damage. These winds do follow this system that brought us the heavy rain overnight, but now we're clearing out. There is another cold front, however, and sure enough, it is the leading air of just some Arctic air that is settling in across parts of the northern tier states. I mean, look at these temperatures. In Denver, it's only 6 degrees. It's 0 in Bismarck and 3 degrees in Minneapolis. We won't be tapping into that cold air, but we will be getting back to closer to normal, if not below, for tomorrow. But right now, enjoy the mild air along the eastern coast. 56 in Boston. It was 58 degrees. Temperatures are starting to drop already, so we've sort of hit our peak of our warmth as temperatures are going to continue to fall as those winds pick up out of the west as we go through the afternoon. So hour by hour, expect temperatures falling back into the 40s with clear skies overnight. Winds, they're going to begin to die down, and with mainly clear conditions, we'll fall back into the 20s, teens to the northwest. So a chilly start as you head back to work and school tomorrow. Make sure you bundle up because highs will struggle to get out of the low to middle 30s, a little below the average we typically see this time of year. High pressure will be in control, so at least we'll have sunshine. But by Thursday, watching this weak system that could provide a patchy coating up to a couple of inches early Thursday could impact that morning commute, but it does move out of here. So by Thursday afternoon, we are dry. Dry on Friday, too, but our next storm system looks to move in for Saturday. Could start off as a bit of a wintry mix through the interior. Something we'll have to watch, especially the track and timing of that. But you'll notice the temperatures ranging from 50s today, 30s tomorrow, back into the 40s by Friday. And of course, after that system comes through on the weekend, temperatures will begin to tumble once again.